Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Onye Best, and guys, you're welcome to Onye Best Beauty Patente B. So guys, in today's video, we'll be still talking about Signale di Divieto. Okay, we are not done with it, okay? So we'll also be covering another lesson on Signale di Divieto. Ok, we'll be treating divieto di transito ai veicoli che trasportano prodotti che possono contaminare l'acqua. We'll also be dealing the one of divieto di transito ai veicoli con larghezza e ALTEZZA superiore da whatever numero that is being placed there. We're going to see it in this video. Okay, so what is divieto di transito ai veicoli che trasportano prodotti che possono contaminare l'acqua? So we're going to see in this particular vehicle now. Okay, now this is the vehicle for this type of vehicle. Now, on seeing this sign on the road, what does it tell you? Okay, what comes to your mind on seeing this sign? It says, un segnale di divieto vieta il transito ai veicoli che trasportano sostanze che possono contaminare l'acqua. Now, this forbids vehicles to access this road, vehicles that carry substances that can contaminate water. Okay, on seeing this sign, you should know that this sign is forbidding this set of vehicle will carry some substance where we say if it contaminate acqua. Vale anche per rimorchio. Now, this sign valid even for rimorchio, which is trailers. Quindi non si riferisce a cisterne vuote. So you do not refer to this as an empty tank. It's not referring to empty tank or veicoli che trasportano l'acqua or vehicles that transport water. You know, when seeing the sign, what comes to your mind? If you do not know the meaning of the sign, you think it's maybe those type of vehicles that carries water. Okay, they are not allowed to enter. No, it's not referring to that type of vehicle. Okay, what is referring to are those vehicles that carry materials that can actually contaminate water. Esempio, inaffatrici stradali. Now, those type of vehicle that carries water, for example, like the one with the wet road, okay? Those type of vehicle, they are not forbidden to enter, okay? They carried water. There is those type of vehicle, inaffatrici stradali, these are the wet road, okay? So they are not forbidden to enter. The only vehicles forbidden, I repeat, are vehicles that carry substances that can contaminate water. Now, having said that, we'll be seeing the next one, which is divieto di transito ai veicoli con larghezza superiore di 2,30 metri. Now, we'll be seeing divieto on this type of vehicles where their largeness is more than 2.30 meters. Okay, for instance, this picture, when you see the sign on the road, what does it tell you? What comes to your mind? Now, look at the arrow by the side. You see the arrow by this side, it is telling you now the largeness. It is referring to the largeness of vehicle. Now I always tell you, you get to know the signs by their name, their background color, okay? And of course, try to look the image that is inside of this sign, and then you understand quickly what it is referring to, okay? Okay, guys, before I continue, very important for this channel, please, of course, if you're not subscribed and you see me for the first time, please do it to subscribe to my channel. And of course, if you like this video, at the end of this video, do not forget to give me a thumbs up, okay? It is very important. It's going to help you to push this video for more people to see, okay? All right, let's get started. So back to what I was saying. Now, you get to know them by their sign, their shape, the color of the sign, the background color of the sign, and what image is inside the sign, or rather, in this case, what is written inside of the sign. It says, un segnale di divieto. Now, this is segnale di divieto. Indica la larghezza massima dei veicoli che possono percorrere la strada. Now, indicates the maximum largeness of vehicle that can access this road. In questo caso, vieta il transito a tutti i veicoli, con motore e senza motore, di larghezza superiore a 2,30 metri. Now, in this case, it forbids all vehicles, either the one we get engine or that without engine. It forbids all of them, so long as the largeness it is more than 2.30 metri. È posto sulle strade sia urbane che extraurbane. You see the sign in urban road and extra-urban road, okay, inside of the city and outside of the city. Puoi trovarsi, ad esempio, prima di una strettoia. Now you can find the sign, for example, before a narrow road, before a strettoia. Vale 24 ore su 24 ore. Now this sign does not tell you that it valid for 3 hours, 4 hours, maybe after that hour you can actually enter this road, even if your vehicle largeness past 2.30. No, now this sign valid for 24 hours, meaning that you cannot access this road. Non è vero che indica la larghezza della strada o della strettoia. It is not true that this sign is telling you the largeness of the road that you are approaching, or is telling you the largeness of the narrowness of the road. It is indicating to your vehicle. It is not telling you the largeness of the road you're seeing, or it's not telling you the largeness of the size of the narrowness of the road. No, it is indicating to you now that is driving this vehicle. If you know your vehicle, the largeness is more than 2.30 meters, do not access this road. Okay? Okay, we've seen the last one on this lesson. Divieto di transito ai veicoli con ALTEZZA. No, we did LARGHEZZA just now, and now we are seeing ALTEZZA, which is the height. Superiore a 3,25 metri. Okay, now this one, the height that is more than 3.50 meters. We will see on the picture. So this is it. When you see the sign on the road, now remember the other one was by the side here telling you the largeness. Now this one is up and down telling you of the height. Massima dei veicoli che possono percorrere la strada. In questo caso vieta il transito a veicoli la più attesa misurate da piano stradale supera il 3,5 metri. Now this sign forbids any vehicle will say the height don't measure more than 3.50 meters, more than, okay? Puoi trovarsi sia nei centri abitati che fuori. Now you can find the sign inside of the city and outside of the city. Puoi trovarsi, ad esempio, dove la strada passa sotto un ponte. Now you can also find a sign in a place whereby there's an bridge, where you see bridge, okay, if you see the sign for there, okay, depend the height, telling you that, okay, if your vehicle height don't pass 3.50, please do not access this road. Okay, most times you could see sign for before a bridge. Okay, not sopra una ferroviaria. It is not on top of a train, okay? You will not sit on top of a train place where train they do, okay, no see for that place. Where you see this is before a bridge. You see for bridge telling you, okay, maybe because due to, it's not telling you the height of that road, please. It's only referring to your vehicle. Do not see the sign and start saying, okay, maybe this is telling you of the heightness of the height of this place you're about to enter. Maybe it's 3.50, so I cannot enter. No, it is referring to your vehicle now. That is why in your carta di circolazione, you should look at all these things. It should be there. Okay, the height of a vehicle, you should know. The largeness of a vehicle, you should also know. Okay. Vale 24 ore su 24 ore. It also valid for 24 hours. Non è vero che indica, okay? Non è vero che indica attesa del passaggio. It does not tell you the height of that passaggio. For example, you say for bridge, you don't tell you the height of that bridge. Okay, it's just telling you that your vehicle, if the height don't pass 3.50, if your vehicle height is more than 3.50, you should not enter this road. Okay, guys, as simple as that. Please and please, it is not necessary that you must see 3.50. Okay, whatever it wants to indicate, it will surely leave it inside of the sign. That's why I say look inside of the sign and you will understand what that sign is telling you. Okay, most times you might see 2, you might see, it depends on what they're giving you. Now, in this instance, I saw a picture where it is not 3.50 this time, it is 1.90, just as you're seeing in this diagram. Okay. I don't know if it's clear enough, but I think it is. Okay, here you're seeing 1.90 meter. Okay, now in this case, you see, this is not actually, I won't say a bridge, but there's a barrier that is here stopping this vehicle from accessing this road if their height don't pass 1.90 meter this time around, 1.90 just as you're seeing here. Okay, if your vehicle height is more than 1.90, do not enter this road. It is not telling you now that the height of this barrier, okay, the height of this barrier now is 1.90. No, it is telling you that if your vehicle height is more than this numero, do not enter. Okay. So that's what it is. Basically, that's what it's trying to tell you. I don't know if you understand, but if you do not understand, if there's anything giving you difficulty, okay, do well to leave it in the comment section. I will come across it and I will definitely give you answers to your question. Okay, without wasting much time, we'll have the remaining lessons based on DIVIETO. I think we have few to go. I'll try and cover it as soon as I can. Okay, so move to the next chapter. All right, thank you. If you watched to this extent, I really appreciate you. You're going to make it at the end of it all. Okay, I promise you that. I promise you, you're going to make it. So long as you're putting more effort, because what it will get, what it requires is effort. Okay, your time. It needs your time. If you give it your time, if you give it your best shot, you will make it. It's as simple as it can be. Okay. It's as simple as it can be. All right, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? Please do it to subscribe and of course give this video a like. Okay, thank you very much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.